Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by and hanging out with me for another video of mine. Today I'm going to be sharing with you a really quick IKEA haul. The items that I'm going to be sharing with you are like super kid friendly and mostly geared towards children. I do have a couple home items included here as well, but ever since I started YouTube, I kind of feel like every time I buy something new, I have to share it with you guys just in case you can find some interest. So I hope that you guys will enjoy this video. I think I will have a few more IKEA hauls coming up because I normally don't go there. The only reason why I went there recently was because we are going to be doing a project, two projects actually in our home. And so we needed to check out our options when it comes to some new organization like cabinets that we will be bringing into our home. And of course I will take you guys along for that project and that entire process. But for now, here is just a tiny little glimpse of what we found at IKEA this time around. I hope that you guys will enjoy it. After this long intro, let's jump right in and get started. Okay, here are my first two IKEA finds. And this is a pillow insert. This is a 26 by 26 inch pillow insert. I have heard so many good things about this. Just that the quality of these pillows are so good, especially for the price. They are like the perfect choppable pillows. So I am really excited to test this pillow insert out, and I'm actually going to be talking more about this pillow insert as well as a lot of other pillows that I have purchased recently, as well as throw blankets in a separate video. I am dedicating an entire video to throw blankets and throw pillows just to celebrate the season that we are in, which is the ultimate season of cozy. So I will take this out of the packaging and like fluff it out and stick it in this pillow insert that I got as well from IKEA in that video. And you will see kind of how the two come together. You can kind of decide for yourself if it is worth a trip to IKEA. And that video should be up on my channel shortly after this one. But here is the pillow insert that I picked out. I like it because it's a nice neutral gray, and then it does have like a nice little pop of stripes on the side. And next up, I got this 100 pack of square white paper napkins. I love these napkins. They're disposable. They're large. They're a nice bright white color, and for the price that you pay, you get 100 of them. I think it's a really good deal. We love hosting like gatherings of all sorts at our house, but especially with the holiday season rolling around, it's always good to have some napkins on hand. Next up, we got this little plastic tray. I think that this is supposed to hold like shoes, but we are going to be using it for our dogs' food and water bowls. We always have to change those out. They just kind of get grimy and gross and just beat up over time. And so going to IKEA and spending a few dollars on these long, pretty nice quality trays is definitely our go-to spot for these. Next up, I got this little craft set for my son. He is really interested in like crafts, especially when I am able to join him and we're kind of able to make things together. And this type of craft in particular brings back so many memories of my childhood. I loved putting these things together, using these little plastic beads and ironing them and just making them into really cute little shapes and designs, and I would always gift them out to my family and my friends. So I am hoping that my son finds just as much enjoyment with these as I did. I'm really excited to use these with him. This first one being a little 4 set of cloth cupcakes. I thought that these were so cute. And then we also got her this little ceramic place setting set. So this set looks like it comes with 4 little bowls, 4 tiny like little dessert or appetizer plates, and then 4 larger plates. This set is very heavy. I believe this is like ceramic. All right, and then lastly, I found these little activity books. These, I want to say, were supposed to be $3, and I think they were on sale for $2. But I just was really impressed with this. I'm really excited to just stick 1 or 2 of these little packets in our car, just so that we always have them no matter where we are. If we go to a restaurant that doesn't have like a kid-friendly little child menu that can be colored on, then we have this with us. Or if we go to a friend's house, anywhere really, this is just a nice activity set to have. It looks like it's suitable for a variety of ages. These are all wrapped, and I want to keep them wrapped until we need to use them, but it looks like there are 24 pages included in here, and they are really nice sized pages. All right, so that about does it for this video. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. I hope that you guys were able to find some items that sparked some interest, even though there wasn't a ton of home decor related items like I normally talk about in my hauls. I hope that you're able to stick around on my channel and catch the upcoming IKEA hauls that I will be filming in the very near future. If you are not yet subscribed to my channel, please make sure to subscribe and join my YouTube family. I would love to have you part of my journey here on YouTube. And if you could give this video a big thumbs up, I would really appreciate that, as well as it helps my channel grow. Thank you so much for watching. I hope to see you all in my next video, and until then, take care. Bye!